shooter walked off to the northwest. I don't know if I was recording at all, but I did some grunt calls when he was kind of walking off. And I mean, he heard him, turned around and looked this way, but just didn't care. I don't know if he didn't hear it well enough because of the wind or what, but I have no idea where that smaller one's at. But it's like 8:30 right now. And I was planning on getting down at like 9 because this wind is just ridiculous. Like it's 20 miles an hour right now probably. Every now and then, just like right now, it'll lay down just a tad. And it's not bad. But for the most part, it's just a constant 15 mile an hour wind in my face. I was gonna smoke that one, man. I think next time there's a south wind, I'm gonna bring the saddle and I'm gonna go sit over there on the west side. Because that's where all those rubs are. And it seems like anytime they come in from over here, that's the way they go. Not a bad morning considering. So maybe give it another half hour or so. See if anything else comes through, so stay tuned. Alright guys, well it's like 9:30. I'm gonna start packing up. I haven't seen anything else. And the wind's just constantly picking up here, so. Even though I saw those bucks tonight, or this morning, I still think I'm gonna sit out this afternoon. As in, stay at home, not actually come out. But I just don't feel like sitting out